In this video, I'm going to be comparing two premium automatic cat litter boxes. I've got the Global One or the G1, and I have the M1 from Neakasa. Immediately, the first thing you see is we have a closed top barrel design versus an open top litter box design. Some people prefer the closed top for aesthetics. You don't have to look at the litter as much. And I do say I kind of like the look of that a little bit better. If you're concerned about smell, it's not a big issue. We've been using the Neakasa M1 for about 2 months now, and we haven't smelled anything. We haven't smelled the litter box at all during that time. It's been a huge upgrade over a traditional litter box. So let's talk about the automatic litter boxes, and one of the things that they really do great for you is that instead of having to take your old litter box and scoop out the clumped litter and then move it to a trash bag and then haul it out, you just simply pull out the trash bin or the waste bin on these automatic litter boxes, tie up the bag, put a new bag in, and throw the bag away, put the tray back in, and you're done. So it's no harder than just simply taking out the trash. It's much easier to deal with, and it keeps the smell down. Like I said, we haven't even noticed the smell of the cat litter since we switched to an automatic litter box. Now, both of these boxes come with these legs that they sit on. What those legs help these litter boxes do is the cat will jump in because of a weight change. The litter box will know that the cat is in the box. Once the cat leaves the box, of course, the weight changes again, and then the litter box will wait for a designated amount of time and do the process of sifting out the clumps of the litter and dropping them into the wastebasket below. Both of these are Wi-Fi capable. Both of them connect using an app to your phone, so it will alert you when it's time to change the wastebasket or change the trash bag out of the box, and it will alert you when the cat's gone to the bathroom and help you track the frequency of the cat's litter box usage. Now, some of the bigger differences between the two, you can see the open top versus the enclosed top. This one is a little bit more spacious, might be better for your bigger cats. This one is a little bit more enclosed. Shouldn't be a problem because most cats don't mind going into tight spaces like this. Their waste baskets, let me move these out of the way real quick. Okay. So the waste baskets is one of the bigger differences between these two. This one has a smaller waste basket than this one does. As you can see, this one's a good bit larger, probably holds twice as much clumped litter as this one does. I'm having to change this one about once every 3 to 4 days. I'm having to replace the bag here. On this one, I could probably get 1.5 to 2 days, but I would definitely be changing this one every 2 days. So in that aspect, I definitely prefer the Neakasa because I don't have to change out the bag as much. It simply holds more. But in that aspect, that's how simple it is. You pull it out, change the bag out, and then slide it back in, and you're done. Now, let's see here. I'm gonna press the clean function on both of them. I haven't done this yet. I do think the Neakasa is a little bit quicker at the cleaning. Not that that really means anything. So, both of them are going. Both of these have the weight sensors in them, so if a cat does happen to jump back in during this process, it will pause the cleaning process and wait for the cat to leave the box so that your cat doesn't get trapped inside of the box. That would be bad. With their respective apps on both of these, you are able to remotely tell it to start the cleaning process. So if for some reason it doesn't start it when I think it should, don't have to get up out of my chair. I can just go to the app and do so. One of the things that I do like about the Neakasa that the G1 doesn't do is it will identify the cats based on the cat's weight. You put the profile in, you say how much the cat weighs, and so if you have a 12-pound cat, an 8-pound cat, it will tell you which one went to the restroom when, so you can track them individually. And it's really important to be able to track that frequency of use and the weights of the cats for medical reasons. We've got an older cat, and it's helped us to track and find a medical issue recently because she had reduced the amount of times that she was using the litter box, and her weight was going down, which was telling us she wasn't eating for some reason. Of course, we also could see that she wasn't eating her food. The Neakasa M1 will also give you the cat's weight, where this one does not do that on the app. But realistically, it comes down to whether or not you prefer the open top versus the closed top design. I like them both aesthetically. The Neakasa just has a few more features than the G1 has. The price point on both of these, they're right at about the same price point. There's gonna be links in the description down below for both of these. You can go check those out. This one will be on Amazon. You can get this one on Amazon, but the link that I'm gonna put you takes you straight to Neakasa's website. And if you use my code, which is in the description below, you'll get 10% off of this one. Both of them have finished the cycles, and I was wrong. The Neakasa's not any faster. It actually took about the same amount of time for both of them to complete their cycles. So it's about the same time frame for the cycles to complete. Now, as you can see, I have a step for the Neakasa because both of these are kind of tall. It's probably about 12 inches off the ground the cat has to jump into. Most cats aren't going to have a problem with that. Neakasa does make a step that the cats can step down on or step on to get in and out of the box. Corrugation on this is nice because the litter falls off into the step. There's a hole on the side of the step that you can pour the litter out of. Of course, you can order the step separately, and you could use it with either one of these. So that's a nice feature. The Neakasa does come with a larger litter mat. These litter mats, as far as the design and make of them, are pretty much identical, except the Neakasa's is larger, so it gives a larger area for the cat to step out on and not track litter around your house. So that's my comparison between the two. My personal pick is the Neakasa just because it has a few more features, and I think the main feature that really sells me on it over the G1 is the larger waste basket, so I don't have to change the thing daily or every other day. Like I said, I can get about 4 days out of it before I have to change it. If you're in the market for a automatic litter box, both of these are a great option. Check the links down below and go get you one. It'll change your life if you got cats in your house.